Hello YouTubers, Sonic Ox here. Today is Saturday, January 6, 2024. Hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to talk about remote ID. And let me say right off the bat that I couldn't disagree more with the remote ID regulation. I think it's the stupidest piece of legislation to come out of Congress in a long, long time. I don't believe for one second that it's going to make any airspace even a little bit more safe. On the contrary, I think it gives really good tools to neighborhood Karens and common criminals that they can use to harass and harm law-abiding drone pilots. But that being said, I'm a law-abiding person by nature, and I think FAA fines are a stupid way to spend your money. So I am complying grudgingly, and I decided on the Holy Stone remote ID module for my drones. I chose this one because it's among the least expensive FAA certified remote ID module that's self-contained, and what I mean by that is it has its own rechargeable battery, and it's small and light. I think it's about 14 grams. And it's pretty small, and so it comes with some Velcro that I use to attach it to my quad, but I didn't trust it. I don't trust Velcro to hold I think this was $80, about $80 worth of technology. I actually got it a little cheaper than average by going through the Alien Drones affiliate link to Amazon. I think I saved about $18 that way. But like I say, I didn't trust the Velcro, so I decided to print my own mount out of TPU. This is the design I came up with. It just is a real simple TPU box that I intend to put the module in, and you can see I've got a little cutout on the front so that I can access the button and see the lights. That Holy Stone module has just one button and two lights that give you status of the battery and of the nature of the broadcast. I also have a little cutout on the top for the charger. You just charge it by USB-C. And then I put a little loop on the back of it that I intend to put my battery strap through. I like having it on the top of the battery because it's a good flat surface that allows the module to see the sky. The instructions that came with the unit are really good, really simple to understand. Setup was quick and easy. You just link it to your FAA number on their Drone Zone app, and then Holy Stone has an app where you put in some information. So it fits in there really well. Here you see I've turned it on. So it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge it, and then it stays charged for about 5 hours. It'll broadcast. I've got into the habit of just charging it after every flight, like I do my flight batteries and camera batteries and everything else. No problem at all. And I've tested it. It is working fine. I tested it with the drone scanner app, and I can see it. All I can see on that app is my FAA number, and then of course the location. So, like I say, I hate that. I hate having to do that. I hate having to pay around $80 just to comply with a rule that I think is nonsense. But here we are. So, like I say, I like to attach it to the battery strap. I always run 2 straps on this quad anyway. And this is the smaller battery. It's the 1300 milliamp LiPo that I use, that I get up to 8 minutes of flight, but I usually only do it for about 5. So I'm just attaching the module to the quad and showing you how it just slips through that little belt loop and holds it really secure. And hey, if any of my viewers out there want that STL file that I designed so you can print your own, hit me up at sonic.ox.mail@gmail.com and I'll mail you the STL file. Yeah, so if either one of you 2 guys wants it, feel free to hit me up and I'll send you the file. So here it is, all installed, and you can see it super secure. It's not going anywhere. You can even hold the whole quad up with it. And that particular quad, the OX7, is about 1.1 kilograms. So it's a couple of pounds, 2.3 probably pounds, and it's no problem. So even with the TPU mount, that module is probably only, maybe 25 grams, probably less. And I think that TPU is going to protect it real well and keep it secure to the quad. Sage isn't impressed. She doesn't like the quad. So I'm going to leave you guys there. If you have any questions about this particular remote ID module, please hit me up. And if you want that STL file, hit me up also. Ox out.